So here I have two different extra credit assignments here, both categorized as homework, but that doesn't really matter to me because I have a single categorization. So I don't use grade categories. It all pools to one cumulative uh, total points. So I can, if I edit this assignment, I can show you that it is the first one is marked as extra credit and 10 possible points, and this is marked and due at the end of the semester, just so it's not on my students' calendars. And this assignment, I made extra credit 2, same categorization, though it doesn't matter for me. But this one I just put it as 0 max points and did not check extra credit. Also set it to the end of the year. And so now let's give it a try. Couple of experiments. What happens if I give him a 0 out of 10? He's already missing a homework assignment, first homework of this new semester. So if I give him a 0 out of 10, he loses nothing. If I give him a 0 out of 0, also makes no impact. Let's try giving a 10 out of 10. He jumps up to 70%, and the same thing happens here if I give him a 10 out of 0. So it seems to be operating as if there is no denominator here. So the next experiment, let's exceed this 10%. Let's give him extra credit for the max score on this extra credit. Let's give him a 20. And if I jump him up to 20, we have lagged out. This is trying to send, right here is loading what's called AJAX. It's doing JavaScript behind the scenes to send and receive data. That's how it's not reloading this. And sometimes these queries can time out. So I'm just going to give a Control R. Oh, no, it got it. All right, if I give him a 20, it shoots up to 120. And if I give him a 20 here, also 120. So it seems, at least for me, that they are behaving the same way. But that might be a symptom of my cumulative score, my single category. If you have separate categories, averages, your extra credit may only be impacting that particular category. So that might be why you're not seeing the same results. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. I typically, because I don't know the exact mechanics, I more easily understand making an assignment out of 0 and giving extra points. So I typically do not check that and keep this as a 0. And so the points that I'm giving you just make up for points lost elsewhere in that category or in total sum. So that's how I typically organize it. However, I have used this in the past where I just check the extra credit box, and that seems to work just fine as well. Let me know what you're seeing if you're seeing something else. Thanks a lot.